Today I'd like to review for you the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. It's an anti-aging wrinkle cream for face and body. It supports skin's natural elastin and collagen production. I have been dealing with some crepey skin as I am going through menopause, and some other of you might be as well. And this has been a game changer for me. It is a very, very thick cream consistency, as you can see right there. I'll put it on the back of my hand. Very, very thick consistency, and does a remarkable job of erasing what I would like to call crepey skin. And if you don't know what that means, it's just when your skin kind of looks like crepe paper. So if you are dealing with crepey skin for any reason, for dehydration, look at that. Look at the difference. Isn't that wonderful? Look at how great that looks. If you're dealing with dehydration or crepey skin due to menopause or anything else like that, I recommend this product highly. It's the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Cream. Be sure to add it to your cart today.